To help you grow your business, we're actually gonna give you guys Ayesha Curry here. I'm a wife, mom of 3, and an entrepreneur. In building my business, I've learned a lot along the way. So now I'm paying it forward to help encourage, mentor, and motivate other deserving women to take their own companies to the next level. This is Fempire. I love that this Fempire is literally built on the power of friendship. We have Amy, Kate, and Sarah, who are the founders of Canary Co.
Hi, I'm Kate. I'm a product designer.
I'm Sarah, and I do graphic design.
And I'm Amy. I am a textile designer.
They created a bag that is a modular system, which basically means that all these other bags fit into it. So you can bring all of the things everywhere you go. And the product is eco-friendly and responsibly made. Their revenue is $28,000, which is pretty good since they launched only a few months ago. They want to be in retail, and I know firsthand that's not an easy feat. It's time to bring them in. What made you start Canary Co?
Actually, one of my good friends, she was constantly on commuter trains or buses and carrying tons of bags for her whole day. So gym bag, main bag, like work bag. She's like, why don't you guys just make like a all-in-one solution? I mean, we all work 9-to-5 jobs.
On top of Canary.
Oh, yeah.
What's your marketing strategy then, is my next question.
We really want to create this community for other women. We started a blog to get people involved and really feel like connected to the product and to other women that are using it as well.
You know, bring all the girl bosses together, and we're all going through the same thing, and we can help each other in that.
Better together.
Better together, for sure.
So I know things have been a little tough for you.
I have struggled with chronic health issues my entire life. Actually, last summer, we sat down in Kate's apartment, and I told them I needed to draw back from the company and that they should replace me with someone else because I couldn't give what they needed.
And you clearly said no.
Yeah, well, and then I think Kate even said, like, we can outsource design, but we can't replace you. And I think that was a huge turning point for me to realize, like, the value you can bring outside of your skill just through who you are. That really united us as a team.
Gosh. So the heart of the company right here. That's amazing, you guys.
Yeah.
So what's your goal?
Big goals.
Hopefully getting some funding so that we can kind of roll it into creating other products.
Are you guys online only?
Yes, so just expand our business pool and get into different stores, and that's the goal.
It's tough on a tight budget.
Yeah. I want to introduce you guys to someone who I think can help you. This is Leah Justman, CEO of Showroom.
Sarah!
Leah. I'm Kate, so nice to meet you.
Amy. So what you guys need is a fashion broker, someone who can help you develop and pitch your product and get it in front of retailers. $1.5 million in sales, that is her base point. So yes.
So Showroom is a multinational sales and consulting agency, so we really work with designers like yourself to hone in on your brand message and also make sure that you have the operational infrastructure to be set up to do business, whether it's with independent retailers or larger chain retailers like Bloomingdale's or Nordstrom.
Yeah. Awesome. Oh my God.
We're like the gatekeepers of fashion.
I told you.
One of the most important things that I look for in onboarding a new client is there a white space for this product in the market? Is there a need for it? Is my customer going to want to buy it? So I'm really excited to hear your elevator pitch on Canary Co. and what makes you guys really unique and different.
Really, our vision behind Canary Co. is to create functional products that understand women and their needs and meet them where they're at.
So we saw a problem, which was too many bags and like not enough hands, right? It's an all-in-one, all-day solution.
So this is our main squeeze bag. It houses all of our other bags. This is our Kiss Me kit, which fits right on top. When you open it, it completely unfolds and you can hang it from a hang rail. And there's these earring holders so that your earrings don't get lost. One of our favorite features about the bag is this back section, which holds your straightener, curling iron, dry shampoo, whatever you need it to hold so it doesn't float in your bag.
And then our VIP pouch, and then snap and be its own clutch.
It's great because it comes with a strap. You can do a shoulder bag, you can do crossbody. My favorite look is you can do it around your waist actually and do it as a waist bag.
Very trendy.
Yes.
Also, our triangle, which is the perfect micro pouch for all your earbuds or vitamins. And here is our Empower Pack, which has stowable and unclippable straps, has a mesh ventilation for your shoes.
2 size 10s fit in that little shoe compartment. I've got big feet.
We did put like a size 10 or 11 in here and they do fit.
So this back portion is our workstation. It fits a laptop.
How heavy does it get when it's fully full?
That was actually one of the things that we really took into account. Kate designed it so that the weight is properly distributed.
We have webbing on the back. Using webbing kind of creates that
love
durability.
Oh, cool. You really do think of every detail.
Yes, all the details.
What I love about your pitch is that any woman, to some degree, can find something like a purpose for this bag. I'd love to see something on your website like the mom, the boss, the city girl, the athlete, and like really show like how that individual, the student, can like use this bag. I think what would be really cool is if you guys did like a mini squeeze where there's a smaller version. I also feel like it would be fun to like do it in different colors and maybe around like holidays, like metallic or silver or gold, or so those are some fun like quick things that I feel like you guys could do that could be really impactful. I love how passionate you guys are. I love meeting like entrepreneurs who like really believe in what they're doing, and I'm really excited about it. So congratulations. Your first prize is me. So I'm gonna work with you guys for the next 3 months and really be a mentor to you. I'll be available to you guys whenever you need me. I'm also gonna secure you an agent and a PR firm.
Oh my gosh.
So we're gonna have to work hard, but I know you guys are up for it. And I'm really excited because I didn't have a mentor and I really had to fail up. So I think by extending this kind of olive branch for you guys, it's gonna be great.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
To help you grow your business, we're actually gonna give you guys $10,000. I would never disrespect money like this, but.
Ayesha, we are so grateful for everything that you gave us today.
It's a game changer, and I feel like we are just so excited for the next step and just really grateful for this opportunity.
Can't wait to see the growth and where they end up. It's gonna be a fun ride.